In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Google Calendar, a handy skill that will streamline your workflow by keeping your tasks and deadlines synchronized across platforms. The entire process is pretty straightforward and should only take you about 5 minutes. So, let's dive right in. First, head over to Trello by either typing in the URL directly in your browser or simply searching for it online. Once you're on the Trello homepage, you'll need to log in. You'll notice several options to choose from, like logging in with your email, Google account, or any other method you've set up. Select the login method that works best for you and proceed into your Trello account. Now that you've accessed your Trello account, navigate to the specific board that you want to synchronize with Google Calendar. Your board is where you manage tasks and cards that are crucial to your projects. Once you're on the desired board, it's time to set up what Trello calls power-ups. These are essentially integrations that extend the functionality of your boards. To access power-ups, locate the menu option on your board and find the Power-Ups button. Clicking on it will take you to a list of available power-ups for Trello. Here's where you'll find the integration we need. Search for the Calendar Power-Up. Once you've found it, enable it. This step is essential as it allows your Trello board to have a calendar view, which is necessary for linking to Google Calendar. With the Calendar Power-Up now enabled, switch to the calendar view of your Trello board. This is usually done by clicking on the calendar link, often found at the top right of the page. Inside the calendar view, you should see an option labeled Sync to Personal Calendar, or something similar. If this option is disabled, make sure to enable it. Doing so will generate an iCalendar or iCal feed URL. Go ahead and copy this URL as it's what you'll use to connect Trello to Google Calendar. Next, go over to Google Calendar. Once there, look at the left sidebar for the section titled Other Calendars. You should see a plus icon next to it. Click on this icon, which gives you several options for adding new calendars. Choose the option that says From URL. A field will appear where you can paste the iCalendar feed